Hi, and welcome back to the Elder Law Question and Answer series. My name is Michael Rose, and I'm joined today by Kelly Rogers. She is a senior living advisor with Senior One Source, and we're very grateful to have you here today, Kelly, so thank you for joining us. We're talking about seniors who are looking for a new place to live, and specifically maybe an independent living community or assisted living community or memory care, something like that. Tell me, Kelly, what is a senior living advisor?
Yes, we get that question a lot. They're not familiar with what options are out there and what resources are available to them. I often tell my clients that trying to sort through all the gamut of senior living options without using a senior living advisor would be very similar to trying to diagnose their own health issues without using a doctor, or trying to invest their money without consulting a financial advisor, or doing legal services without consulting an attorney.
Because there's so many options available to the people.
Exactly.
Right?
So using a senior living advisor is really going to help hone in on that and what's the right fit for them.
Okay.
So meeting with a senior living advisor is very similar to having a realtor help you find that right house for you. So what housing options are available to our clients? When we're meeting with our clients, we help determine, what are their needs, what are their preferences, what's their budget, what location are they looking in, and helping narrow down what options fit that need.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So you're really, like you said, kind of like a realtor. You're going to help the senior find a place to live. And I imagine that's more than just the location. It's more than, do they like the room space, right?
Yes, exactly.
I mean, what other things should a person look at when they're looking to move into a community?
Yeah, I mean, it's really like what is most important to them. Obviously, it has a lot to do with what needs they have. Our clients usually, unfortunately, wait until they have an absolute need to move from their home. They're not able to stay at home any longer. They don't have the services they need to remain in their home safely.
Okay.
So there's a lot of aspects of making the transition that's going to help make that decision for them as to what's the right fit.
Okay. All right. So what are the advantages of using a senior living advisor as opposed to just trying to find a place to live on your own?
Yeah, definitely. Using a senior living advisor is really going to help save the client's time. For them to go out and call 15, 20 different communities, say if they're just looking at assisted living options, even if they already know that they need assisted living. A lot of our clients don't even know, based on their criteria, if they would be appropriate for independent living, assisted living, or even memory care. But just even narrowing it down to, okay, I know that I need assisted living based on my needs and the criteria that I have. Okay. I'm going to call the 8 to 15 or 20 options in my area, all those assisted living communities, and then I'm going to kind of try and narrow it down as to which ones I want to tour. Say I'm going to call 8, I'm going to tour 5 of those, and I'll pick one of them. Most of our clients going into a community for the first time are basing that decision off of a call and a visit, and then choosing that community. So to meet with a senior living advisor to help them narrow their options down to 1, 2, or 3 options, and then choosing one of those options to move into, they're going to be educated from the senior living advisor. So providing the education of which communities are not only a good fit for me, but which communities have stable staffing, which communities have quality services, and where residents are happy. And a lot of people don't think about the fact that these different communities and options are managed by different companies. So knowing that it's a stable management company overseeing that community as well.
That's interesting. So it sounds like there are just, no community is built the same. Everyone offers different services. They all have different staffing. They all have a different, I would say, approach to the way that they take care of their residents.
Exactly.
So you really know these things.
Right.
You've been out there. You've kind of done the research. So you're able to talk to your clients and let them know what the options really are based on their needs. So you're really able to help them to narrow it down so that they don't have a lot more work to do.
Exactly. And even just from the aspect of an assisted living community, there's different types of licensing in different states. So a community that might say it's assisted living might actually have residential care licensing, which can actually provide a little bit more care than an actual assisted living licensed community. So just being able to educate them on that aspect of the move. If they do have a few more care needs than would normally be appropriate for assisted living, we might recommend a residential care facility for them. So yeah, being able to educate them on the licensing aspect as well.
Perfect. Thank you.